Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr. BuyitWright. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the 2020 Honda Civic LX 6-speed manual. Let's take a peek.
With class-leading fuel economy and an abundance of features right from base, the Honda Civic LX is the perfect car for your daily commute. For more information, call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. Civic sporty steering wheel. You're gonna notice the full range of controls right at your fingertips. On the right, your adaptive cruise control with low speed follow and lane keep assist. So when this is on, it'll display on the screen behind you like this. When you're using your low speed follow, it's gonna pop up on screen how many car lengths you want to be behind the person in front of you on the highway when your cruise is set, and it will follow them at their speed until they get out of your way and go right back up to the speed that you assigned it to. This button right here is your lane keep assist. When that is on, it's gonna notice all the lines on the highway when you're going over 70 kilometers an hour and help keep you inside them with little assists. On the left side of the wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls, voice control, all your media controls, so track back and forth, flipping between different stations, volume control of course, and this button right here controls that digital display right in behind. So you can flip between a few different screens. This one's your fuel economy, maintenance, media, Bluetooth, and you can quickly swap between kilometers per hour and miles per hour when you're at the border very easily. You have automatic headlights. And just down below, more of your Honda sensing features. You have your forward collision warning, lane mitigation, and of course your traction control. And on the door, your power mirror and window switches. On the dash, you have this absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display. It's very user-friendly and fully customizable. You can change where these buttons are located. This is also the display for your backup camera. Now this is gonna have a couple different views. Right now it's showing you the wide angle view. So when you're backing out of a parking space, you can see what's beside you if there's any cars coming. This is your regular view. And you also have the option to look straight down. This is your bumper right here. So I like using this when I'm pulling into a parking space or up to a building. I can get really close and not have to worry about bumping into anybody. You can control your climate through this screen as well. And just down below here, you do have your climate control panel with heated seats. If you look at the bottom, you'll notice you have a USB port with a phone pictured on it. That is your connection to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So when you're plugged into that, you can load up your maps from Google Maps, Waze, whichever app you like to use on there, your Spotify. I'm absolutely in love with that feature, and it's kind of nuts. This is on our, what we consider a base model. You really get a lot with Honda. Your 6-speed manual transmission shifter. Now you do have econ mode as well, so when you pop that button on, it's gonna save you some money on gas. Your electronic parking brake and the brake hold feature. Definitely nice to have with a manual transmission, stops you from rolling around. Your center console, you can adjust to your liking. Opens up all the way. You have a nice little change tray in behind here. Your cup holders are removable, or you can just slide them back and forth. You do have a deep cup holder and another charging port just at the bottom there via USB. And your interior trimmings are very sporty, keeping with the style of the vehicle. Everything looks very clean inside the Civic. It's no wonder it's been the #1 selling car in Canada for 21 years in a row.
Thank you for watching. So if you're in the market for a new Civic and you like this video, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me a text on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information or to arrange your test drive. Again, my name is James. My number is 519-732-5551. Thanks for watching.